we got it to run. Siphon most of the fuel. It came down to a trickle, so I decided to call it quits. I don't want to burn up the fuel pump itself, starving it of fuel there. So I came here, I removed the spark plugs. They were of course wet, so I cleaned them with brake clean, and I oiled the cylinders just to increase the compression. And yeah, use some starter fluid through this port here, and then try a couple of times, and here, then it started. Then I maintained high RPM for until I got most of the whatever was in the line out of it. So I let it run. Now it's running. It's pouring out beautifully, as you can hear. So that's about it. That's about it for me. So